Hey guys, Coach here, back out at the nursery. This particular plant of the week is another ground cover type of low-growing juniper. This one is the shore juniper, Juniperus conferta. And you will find its main claim to fame is its silvery blue foliage, especially in the new part, and kind of has a soft texture when the new growth comes out. It's not something you can really walk on barefooted. I wouldn't suggest that. Check out this particular one if you want something you can actually walk on juniper-wise. Yeah, the blue shore juniper, great for hillside plantings, rock gardens, goes to about 12 inches high and spreads out about 6 to 8 feet unless it has something to run into. The more you trim it on the perimeter, the more thickness it's going to get, so depending on what your needs are. Yeah, blue shore juniper. One of my favorites. Used to use it out west quite a bit as far as hillside plantings and rock gardens. So check it out the next time you're at your garden center, blue shore juniper. Hey, thanks for taking a minute. I'll catch you guys next week. Don't forget to turn into the normal educational videos. I look forward to seeing you over there, and check out the podcast. Hey, I'm Coach. Catch you next week. Bye.